The kids are getting out of school, and I'm thinking, how many of them can we fit in this trailer? Brett's here from Parris RV, and Brett, I think quite a few in here.
Yeah, you know, you've got this 2021 Rockwood Roo. The model's a 233S, and basically what this is it's a 23-foot trailer, but it expands on each end for a 4-foot bed like we see here, so you get a queen on each end when the bed goes down, and then of course a third one on the side, which is nice. And then you hit a button and that slide out with that big U shape goes out, U-shaped dinette, and then you got this sofa that makes down. So you've really got, what, 5 beds and sleeping for roughly 10.
So wait, this completely folds in.
Yeah, it really is amazing because when you see the trailer, it's a small, lightweight, compact little trailer. Only weighs 5,100 pounds. You can pull it with small, like a Tahoe or something like that, a smaller SUV. And gosh, when you get there and you put the bed ends down, I mean, you get 4 more feet per side. So what, this 23-foot trailer really turns to like, what is that, 31 foot, right?
I chose the comfy seat, by the way. This feels so nice. And you said it's actually heated?
You know, so it's got a heated mattress. Rockwoods are, they got a ton of cool stuff in them. One of them is heated mattress. You can just turn your mattress up or down. Of course, you've got air conditioning. You've got a thermostatically controlled furnace. You've got heated tanks, so if you choose to go out in the cold weather, they don't freeze up on you. It's got outside cooking. It's got a sound system with indoor-outdoor speakers. You've got an indoor TV that you can move indoor-outdoor under your power awning.
The awning is huge.
Big awning. It's really, they put the very biggest awning you could put on this trailer. I mean, it's a huge awning, really nice. They do all kinds of cool things on these. One of the things I really like is in the shower. It's got what they call a shower miser system. I mean,
what's that?
Everybody's trying to be conservative when you camp, right? I mean, you don't want to waste your water.
Right.
So you turn your shower on and you flip a switch and it pumps the water back into the fresh water tank while you're waiting for your water to heat up. You don't want to get in there and be in a cold shower. You don't want to dump it down the drain, the drain tank. So you divert it into the fresh tank, and then when it heats up, comes into the shower, you're taking a hot shower.
It's just smart. This is not your grandmother's pop-up trailer.
Nope. Plus, it's got Wi-Fi Ranger. I mean, you got to keep those kids connected, right?
Oh, you got to keep them happy, or they don't want to go with you.
Right.
You say Rockwood, and I mean that's a buzzword for a lot of people.
You know, Rockwood is a super high-quality product. It's an extremely popular trailer. It's our very hottest selling trailer that we have. And yeah, they've got a lot of cool things, whole house water filtration and independent suspension, and they really are the most deluxe expandable trailer that you can even get.
Oh, I can see why in this one. We have a couple seconds. Your favorite feature on this guy?
You know, I just like the floor plan. I mean, it's big, it's open, it fits a lot of people, yet I love the fact that it's 5,100 pounds. Love the high quality of a Rockwood. Just love this for it.
Oh, and I love this. I love how cozy it is in here, everybody. I think you'll love it too. Parris RV has 2 locations, parrisrv.com or go to abc4.com. Everybody come by and say hi to Brett. Thank you.
Thank you.